Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common problem, resetting your AEG Lavamat washing machine. Maybe your machine is displaying an error code, acting strangely, or just refusing to start. A reset can often solve these minor glitches. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through a few methods. First, we'll try the basic power cycle. Next, we'll explore a specific button combination reset. Finally, if those don't work, we'll look at a more in-depth method that might involve accessing the machine's diagnostic mode. Let's get started and hopefully get your washing machine back on track. Okay, let's begin with the simplest method, the power cycle. This is like giving your washing machine a quick nap. Locate the power button on your AEG Lavamat. Turn the machine off. Unplug it from the wall socket. Wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows any residual electricity to dissipate. Plug the washing machine back into the socket. Turn it on. Try running a wash cycle. See if the error is gone. If the problem persists, move on to the next method. Now, let's try a button combination reset. This varies slightly depending on your specific AEG Lavamat model. Consult your user manual first. However, a common technique involves pressing and holding two specific buttons simultaneously. Look for buttons like start/pause, spin, or extra rinse. Press and hold these buttons together for about 5 seconds. The control panel might blink or display a code. Release the buttons. Turn the washing machine off and then on again. Test if the issue has been resolved. If you don't have your manual, try experimenting with different button combinations. If this doesn't work, don't worry. There's still another option. Finally, if the previous methods haven't worked, we can try accessing the machine's diagnostic mode. This is a slightly more advanced technique. Again, refer to your user manual for specific instructions for your model. Usually, this involves a sequence of button presses while turning the dial. For example, you might need to turn the program selector dial to a specific position. Then, press and hold a button while turning the machine on. This might display error codes or allow you to run diagnostic tests. Be very careful when navigating the diagnostic mode. Avoid making changes unless you understand what they do. Look for an option to reset the machine to its factory settings. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once the reset is complete, turn off the machine and turn it back on. Test it with a wash cycle. Remember, safety first. If you are uncomfortable with any of these steps, consult a qualified appliance repair technician. That's it for today's video on resetting your AEG Lavamat washing machine. I hope these methods helped you solve your washing machine woes. Remember to always consult your user manual for specific instructions related to your machine model. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. And if you're feeling generous, consider supporting the channel through the links in the description. Every little bit helps. See you in the next video.